Today we have 3 watches with a striking mechanism in the Zeitwerk family. It all started with the Zeitwerk striking time. The Zeitwerk striking time has 2 hammers and circular gongs. One hammer and gong, of course, is for the high-pitched tone. You can hear that one strike every 15 minutes. The second one is a low-pitched tone. Once an hour, one strike. Then we have a second execution, and that is the decimal strike. The decimal strike, also 2 gongs and 2 hammers. One high-pitched tone for every, and now it comes, every 10 minutes, and a low-pitched tone for once an hour. And again, here the gongs are also circular and the hammers are also striking from inside to the outside. And the third is the king of the complications. It's the minute repeater. The minute repeater is a decimal minute repeater, so it doesn't strike the number of quarters, but in decimal in each 10 minutes. Again, 2 hammers and 2 gongs, but here it's completely different. The gongs follow partly the shape of the time bridge. And the hammers, they strike from the outside to the inside. So you have a low-pitched gong and a high-pitched gong. The low-pitched gong is for the hours. Every 10 minutes you have a double strike. High, low. And then for the minutes you have a high-pitched gong.